Hello, welcome back to Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. If you haven't subscribed yet, or this is your first time watching one of our videos, welcome. Please click right now on the subscribe icon and activate the ring so you never miss our future video uploads. You can also connect with us on our social media platforms. We are on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Just type Lingala Academy. Lingala Academy. You can also add us on Snapchat by typing The Love Gracias. The Love Gracias. DELOVEGRATIAS. Guess what? Tomorrow, March 18th, is my birthday. And you know what? I do share the same date with my sister and two of my brothers. So I dedicate this lesson to them and I wish them happy birthday. Mbotama elamu na bino banso bandeko na ngai. Nalingi bino mingi mingi koleka. And by the way, here is my photo when I was, I think, 5 or 6. So if you want to wish me happy birthday, or you just want to record a video and send it to me, you can do it. And I post it on my Snapchat and my Instagram page. Thank you guys. So in this video, I'm teaching you vocabularies related to birthday in Lingala, since it's my birthday. So let's get started. The first word we're starting with is birth. Birth is mbotama. Mbotama. And to give birth is kobota. Kobota. Birthday is mokolo ya mbotama. Mokolo ya mbotama. Birthday. Happy birthday is mbotama elamu. Mbotama elamu. Birthday party is feti ya mbotama. Feti ya mbotama. Calendar is manaka. Manaka. Day in Lingala is mokolo. Mokolo. That's singular. Plural is mikolo. Mikolo. Week is mposo. Mposo. Plural is bamposo. Baposo. Month is sanza. Sanza. Sanza also means moon. Moon also means sanza in Lingala. Year. Year is mbula. Mbula. Mbula also means rain in English. You can also call year mobu. Mobu. Next, gift or present in Lingala is likabo, likabo, or cadeau, cadeau. That's singular. Plural is macabo, macabo, or bacado, bacado, bacado. Cake is gâteau, gâteau. It came from French. Birthday cake is gâteau ya mbotama, gâteau ya mbotama. Note that gâteau ya libala means wedding's cake. English. My birthday is on March 18th. Lingala. Mbotama na ngai ezali mokolo ya zomi na mwambe ya sanza ya misato. Mbotama na ngai ezali mokolo ya zomi na mwambe ya sanza ya misato. That's my birthday date. English. To celebrate a birthday. Lingala translation is kosepela mbotama, kosepela mbotama. Enjoy your special day in Lingala means sepela na mokolo wayo, sepela na mokolo wayo. May all your wishes come true means bosenga bwayo manso bikokisama, bosenga bwayo manso bikokisama, bosenga bwayo manso bikokisama. What year were you born? Obotama na mbula nini? Obotama na mbula nini? How old are you? Oza na mbula nini? Or ozali na mbula nini? How old are you turning? Ozokokisa mbula nini? Or you can say ozokokisa mbula boni. Ozokokisa mbula nini? Or ozokokisa mbula boni? What do you want to do for your birthday? Okosala nini pona mbotama na yo? Okosala nini pona mbotama na yo? Next, what do you want for your birthday? Oza na bosenga ya nini pona mokolo ya mbotama na yo? Oza na bosenga ya nini pona mokolo ya mbotama na yo? What did you get on your birthday? Ozwaki nini na mokolo ya mbotama na yo? Ozwaki nini na mokolo ya mbotama na yo? Ozwaki nini na mokolo ya mbotama na yo? How was your birthday? Feti ya mbotama na yo elekaki boni? Feti ya mbotama na yo elekaki boni? What would you give me on my birthday? Okopesa ngai nini mokolo ya mbotama na ngai? Okopesa ngai nini mokolo ya mbotama na ngai. Welcome to my birthday. Welcome to my birthday. Boyei malamu na feti ya mbotama na ngai. Boyei malamu na feti ya mbotama na ngai. Bye bye is bokei malamu. Bokei malamu or bozongi malamu. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please comment and share this video with your friends and your family. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any future video. If you have any question, please comment below or send us a message on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter by typing Lingala Academy. Lingala Academy. You can also follow us on Snapchat by typing The Love Gracias. The Love Gracias. Thank you and see you next time.